Hello there. Another day studying and coding. Um, I'm getting deeper into JavaScript. Uh, I'm still half the way in my LinkedIn course um, on JavaScript Essentials. My LinkedIn learning platform um, license is expiring in 3 days, 4 days from now. Today it's Today's the third, and my license expires the 7th, so I've got still 4 days. But I'm not. I think I'm not gonna be able to finish the course in 4 days, because I've realized I'm quite slow at learning. Um, yeah, code is more difficult than I thought. Like there was an assignment yesterday, and the guy said, "Yeah, you got like 10 minutes, but you can take longer if you want." And I was just doing as fast as I could. It's like, yeah, no, this and that, and this and that and that, and yeah, I'm doing it. And it took me 15 minutes, and I thought it was smoke coming out of my brain and my ears. So I realized I'm quite a slow learner. Um, I also have to say that in 1 month and 2 days that I've been learning and studying, I've covered quite a lot of ground. And when I look back at 1 month before, I'm astonished because I knew nothing. And now I'm able to read code and to do a lot of stuff, even though I think I'm a slow learner. So I'm a slow learner, but I'm a constant practicer and student. So one thing goes for the other. So that's the tip for today. Me being a slow learner, I'm able to learn a lot because I'm a constant practicer. There we go.